love you so. Wait. Oh yeah, wait a minute, it's your birthday. It's your birthday. It's your birthday, look and see. Oh yeah. Let's have a dance and a big party. It's your birthday, let's have fun. Come on now. Celebrate till the day is done. Like a groovy here. You waited here for this very day to celebrate in a special way. It's your birthday, let's have fun. You celebrate till the day is done. Oh, it's your birthday. Oh yeah. Let's have a dance and a big party. It's your birthday, let's have fun. Come on now. We'll celebrate till the day is done. Greetings, Rocker 5 fans. I'm Duke LaRue, and at this time, I'd like to introduce our birthday host himself, Billy Bob.
Thank you, Duke.
You know, folks, one of our favorite traditions here at Showbiz Pizza Place is celebrating birthdays. And whenever one of our friends is having a birthday, we love to send out our best wishes with a song. Ain't that right, Looney Bird?
That's right, Billy Bob. And I got the refreshments in my barrel.
Now, I don't believe corn squeezing goes too good with pizza, Looney Bird.
Well, maybe not, but it sure beats anchovies.
We're having a party.
Don't you like the party too?
Aren't you itching to get started? It's time to sing about the blues.
We want you all to gather round and celebrate our happy sound. Just let the music take you right along. So come on, everybody, join me in the Looney Bird.
Come on, come on, come on, come on. We're having a pasta pizza. Come on, come on, come on. We're having a party. Everybody clap your hands and join right in. Sing with your dance. Everybody sing along. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. You're out of tune again.